All right, YouTube, I got a good one for you. I got this Ford. Just talked to the owner. His name's Cleon. I'm gonna give you kind of the quick rundown. You can see it's got some BFGs on it, some all-trains. It's got a 360. Looks like we got a carb. Say just got it on the road a year ago. This is your F-150. Let you look at the interior. Oh, I'm losing my mind. You know what I say about manual cars? It's got 3 pedals. This is a proper truck to have fun in. Got the American flag representing. Look at the color on it. It's not a trailer queen. Give you another shot so you know I'm not kidding. This really does have 3 pedals. Right? This is a real truck owned by a real person. There you go. I thought you guys would appreciate it. I'll actually let this run and then turn it into a short. Give you guys one more shot of the side of it. There you have it. This is down in Santaquin, Utah. A real truck. Enjoy.